What do you do in an emergency if no one's around to help?
This will save your life.
There are steps you can take to save your own life, even if you're all alone, says Dr. Oz.
You have minutes, not seconds, so don't panic.
Let's say you're having a meal by yourself and you suddenly start choking.
Get down on a surface like the edge of a chair.
Okay.
Put your fist into that, right? Together, and then just thrust yourself on it. Literally just push yourself like that.
Using your body weight against the chair is the key.
Make sure when you thrust yourself on the chair, you do it forcefully. So you,
If you're having a heart attack,
this little white pill could save your life.
he says first call 911, then take an aspirin, but don't swallow it.
Don't swallow it, because if you swallow the whole pill, it takes 15, 20 minutes to work. If you crush it in your mouth or just let it absorb under your tongue, it's in your bloodstream almost immediately.
The aspirin acts as a blood thinner.
Okay, you cut yourself. What do you do?
The key is to keep pressure on it.
Dr. Oz says don't waste precious seconds making a tourniquet.
Stopping a major blood vessel from getting blood to an extremity is really hard. Just put pressure on the wound. Use a gauze, t-shirt, whatever you've got handy. And by putting that pressure on there, you can usually just stop the bleeding.
And don't take it off.
Don't get curious. Don't start going, like, that actually causes huge problems because you rip off the covering and it starts to bleed.
Then there's this nightmare scenario.
What's wrong? I just delivered a baby. Are you by yourself? Yeah.
Going into labor, and you're all alone.
You want to be sitting up a little bit because gravity helps you. You push the baby down.
Dr. Oz says make sure you have plenty of towels and warm water. Once the baby comes,
The key question at this point is, what do you do with the umbilical cord?
Right, you cut it.
No, don't touch the umbilical cord.
he says that can wait until help arrives. Tips that just might save your life, even if you're all alone when an emergency strikes.